afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with me again. Okay, this time I'm here in Nusa Dua area, guys. ETDC area, or some people call it PMDCC, something like that, where there are a lot of resorts. And I'm entering here the Bali collection. Let's see what is happening around here. And since I have a request to see Melia by Paradisus, so why not? Let's walk around here. And also let's walk around the resorts, guys, and let's see from the beach side. So let's go and see together. And this is Bali collection, and as always, there is an improvement here inside of the Bali collection. Some shops, they're getting their renovations, and hello, since right here, all the shops still open. And now it's around 4 o'clock, guys, in the afternoon, or 4:30. So not really busy here. Maybe if we come at night or evening time, dinner time, it will be busy. Bali bistro restaurants here. And if you go to that side, you will see some more restaurant shops, and also sometimes you can see the dance as well there, guys. If you're staying at Grand Hyatt Resort in Nusa Dua, it is very close by, just next to this Bali collection. I came from that Grand Hyatt Resort earlier, just in front of the Grand Hyatt Resort. I started the video. So yeah, if you're staying there, it's very close walking distance to come to this place. Yeah, nothing much changing from the last time I came here. When was it? Yeah, a few months ago, maybe 2-3 months ago. Yeah, here more restaurants, arcade restaurants, Achala or Akala. I don't know how to pronounce it. Akala Bar and Bistro. And right here still you can find a lot of art things. Handicraft, batiks or sarongs. Yeah, no one's working there. Hello, Pak. He's making carving. Berapa lama bikin gitu, Pak? Sampai selesai? Iya.
3 hari dah ya.
3 hari udah jadi ya? Cepat juga ya?
Iya.
Yes.
Udah sering soalnya, Pak.
Oh. Terima kasih, Pak. Yeah, I asked him how long he can finish that things, the wood carving, and it takes not really long. 3 days only, maybe because he mastered it already. And right here, you can make your painting from your picture. Or maybe right here. Oh, it's good, yeah. Wow, looks cool. Yeah, it looks exactly the same, yeah, like picture. Itu berapa lama belajar gitu, Pak ya?
Saya hobi dari kecil.
Dari kecil ya?
Iya, dari kecil seneng gambar, jadi tahu dari kapan.
Itu kalau bikin gitu berapa harganya?
Ini 500 per face-nya, satu wajah 500.000.
Oh.
Kalau bertiga ini 1,4.
1,4 ya kalau
Wajah,
bertiga.
ya.
Oh. Terima kasih, Pak ya.
Sama-sama, Pak.
It is interesting to make a painting from your picture, and I asked the price earlier, and he said that one face it costs you 500,000 rupiah. But I'm afraid in this kind of art, especially making pictures like this, because of the AI now, yeah. So if you do AI, probably it can make your face turning like a painting like that, and you can print it. So yeah, the technology is very advanced now, but sometimes it is not good for artworks like this, the artists. And artworks like that, not everyone can do, guys. And we cannot learn and achieve like what he does, because he needed talent as well, and practicing since long time, since early age. And now with the AI, probably some people may lose their job. It is what it is. They need to find something to survive. Yeah, hopefully they can make good job, good business, and survive. Okay, let's just continue here. You're getting more and more businesses. This is Garlic Bali restaurant where you can eat Indonesian food. If you don't dare enough to try Indonesian food at the night market, you can come to this kind of restaurants. It's money changer available. And the Italian restaurant in the corner there, it is gone. It's still under renovation, but I don't know how long. Yeah, but anyway, there are a few Italian restaurants here at this hotel, of course. Hello. And here you can enjoy the Bali music, which is Rindik. That's Queen Spa here. And supermarket Uncle Joe. This one is also new, supermarket. Anyway, talking about a spa, if you're staying here in Nusa Dua, there are like so many options. You can go to do it at your resort, but of course, it's the price, it's a resort price. Yeah, maybe they have like the quality, the facilities like that. Maybe, yeah. And you can do it in this kind of place as well. It's clean, nice place. Or if you go to the main road, there are a lot of spa or massage you can do, guys. And the price is still good. You can do it like for a 100,000 rupiah an hour. Yeah, and there are a lot of them. Yeah, here it's a bit of market part. And I think it's only open until there. Some of the areas of Bali collection still it's closed, guys. Yeah, here market area. And they have live music also there. That is the good additional from here. Okay, let's go inside of the Sogo. Yeah, oh, nice and cool here. But anyway, hello. Yeah, talking about this place, it is basically a mall. It is the same like other mall in Bali. They have a lot of branded stuff. So yeah, I don't know what to say about this kind of place. You know it better. But yeah, they have nice clothes here. We are outside now. This is still part of the BTDC. And let's go to the beach and let's walk to some resorts there. There is a new one, Melia by Paradisos. They just finished their renovation, I think. They just recently opened. So let's see. I believe some of you would like to stay there because, yeah, Melia Bali is kind of like a famous hotel, yeah. Used to be very busy, but with the new renovation, I think make them looks better. Yeah, this is the garden area. The good things is we local people can come here and spend our time here, but of course we need to respect the place, do not litters, and yeah, keep it clean. And here on the right side, this is the Defden Theater or Bali Nusa Dua Theater, guys. And that place was famous before because of the shows, guys. They are culture shows. It's not only about Bali culture, but all from many provinces. Yeah, because as you know, that Indonesia, as a country, we have like maybe over than 30 or 33 or 34 provinces. Yeah, yeah, we have like many cultures. So yeah, they put it into one show, which is performed there. You can check online. I think they're still performing it now, but maybe less popular because I don't know. Yeah, now maybe people come to Bali just for Instagram pictures. Not really into about culture maybe, but yeah, for you that want to know or want to see the dance, you can see it there. And we are getting closer to the beach. And last time I came here during the rainy season, I believe the wind was really good for the surfing, so that's why a lot of tourists like to come here to do surfing. But now, not really sure about that. But here seems still busy. A lot of tourists as well. But I don't know if they're doing surfing or just want to spend the time at the beach. But from Nusa Dua, you can't see sunset, guys. But the beach is lovely. It's nice. Very clean. Quiet. Relaxing. If you like to have quiet, relaxing beach, you can come to this area, Nusa Dua. But some people may find it a bit boring. Some people say it is kind of like artificial, not really real Bali, or maybe some of you feel like Nusa Dua is not any different with the beach in your country. Yeah, there's always like people like it or not. And anyway, here are the local warungs where you can get food, drinks, and a bit of shopping. And of course, the price of the food here is much cheaper compared than the restaurants at your resort. So yeah, you have option. If you don't want to eat at your resort, you can come to this kind of place. And there are few this kind of warung spot guys around in Nusa Dua, so you don't need to worry. There's one here, there's one nearby the Grand Hyatt, and there is one outside. And if you want to walk out from the BDDC area, there is also like a night market, local market that you can explore. Like 10 to 15 minutes walk from here. And here kind of like a surfing place where you can rent boards, you can get the surfing lessons and etc. And I believe starting from here is the Melia by Paradises. Yeah, last time I came here it was not fully open, but now it's fully open, I think. Yeah, it looks good with the new touch, the new restaurants there. They have their pool here. Look at that. Melia hotels and resort. It looks good. Big garden, big restaurant, and they have big pool there as their main pool maybe, because I don't know, I never been inside. Just seeing from outside. This is the beach area or the beach side. Look at the beach, guys. It is very, very clean. Beach is very nice. Yeah, if you've been to Legian Beach, Kuta Beach many times when you're in Bali, when you camp here, you don't feel the atmosphere like in Legian, where yeah, maybe it's really busy with a lot of food stalls along the beach, and here you won't find it. There are a few people, maybe from local people, that selling things, but not as many as Legian Beach or Kuta Beach. It's right here. This is their new bar or restaurants, yeah, with bamboo style design. Look at that. It's a very nice design. I like bamboo design like this. And still they maintain this spot where people sit down, enjoy the food, drinks, and also enjoy the view of the beach. It's a lovely place. Here is their pool, really big pool. Paradises Bali. Would you like to stay here? Let's see the price. Yeah. I'm checking online at the moment. Paradises by Melia. I don't know if it's correct or not. Which one is these? Because I know they have like so many types of rooms. Maybe they have the villas, and it says here the price is 13 million, guys. 559,000 rupiah. It's so expensive. Yeah, but anyway, I don't know about their facilities, what type of rooms. Maybe a villa, probably, yeah, but I'm not really sure. But why not? If you have budget, if you have money for your holiday, extra budget, you can spoil yourself during your holiday in Bali, staying in that kind of hotel. And right here is the Laguna Bali. Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, talking about resort here in Nusa Dua, I don't have anything to say. All of them are good. Same concept, by the beach, nice resort. I think I've been to this resort before, yeah. I was invited by Mr. Paul. Yeah, it looks really good anyway. Yeah, this is their a bit of the pool and the restaurants from here we can see. And this is the beach side. It's lovely, nice beach. It looks really good from here. Gazebos here. I don't know, maybe only certain guests they can use this gazebos, or you can book it. Just a little bit from beach side, what you can expect. It's a nice resort. Yeah, really big pool as well. Anyway, let's check the price of this hotel. The Laguna, a luxury collection resort and spa, Nusa Dua, Bali. So here it says the price is 6,534,000 rupiah. Yeah, 6,400,000, 6,500,000. Yeah, it is about that. Yeah, and then again, I don't know what type of room with this price. Would you like to stay here? You can check it directly online. But the price is big different, eh? Between this one and Paradisus by Melia or Paradisus Bali. There it was 13 million, and here this was it is 6 million something. And look at this beach, guys. It is beautiful beach, clean. But something missing maybe? Food stalls? The lumpia. You can't buy any lumpia here. It's nice. I think it's high tide now, yeah? So you can swim around here. So what do you think, guys, about this area, Nusa Dua? Would you like to stay here? Yeah, if you have extra budget, why not? You can spoil yourself here. Yeah, but the atmosphere is a bit different if you compare land other area in Bali, like Kuta, Legian. If you like BC Beach, you can go to Legian, where you can get beer by the beach from the local bars. They hear everything from the resort, yeah? So if you want to have beer or drinks, you need to get it from the resort. Okay, so yeah, wherever you go in Bali, hope you like your holiday, enjoy it. So that's all for this time video. See you again in the next one. Thank you very much and bye now.